Have you ever been stuck with a dead battery and a flat tire at the worst possible time? Imagine fixing both in just minutes, without calling roadside assistance. Today I'm checking out the GOOLOO A5 Jump Starter with Air Compressor, a compact device that can jump start your car and inflate your tires anywhere. This is the GOOLOO A5, a portable jump starter packed with serious power, plus a built-in air compressor, digital display, and extra features that might surprise you. Let's unbox it and see what makes this thing so useful. And this is what it comes inside of the box. It comes with a bag to carry it, so it's pretty cool. So you can put everything inside. So everything is in here. You can carry it with this bag. And it comes with a cable USB-C to USB-C connection, and another cable to USB-C to USB-A connection. Comes with a manual, the hose for a tire inflator, some adapters for the tire inflator hose, the cables to jumpstart a car, and with the jump starter. Looks amazing. It's piano black on the top. The display is over here, but let's start with the side. Here on the side, so it has this cable on the side. It's an output, so you can charge your devices with this one. That's cool. On the bottom, a vent for cooling. On this side, more vents for cooling when it gets hot. Right here on the top, another vent, and this one is the connection for the air pump. The connection output 5 volts, 2.4 amps. The light, LED light, C1 is an input, 5 volts, 9 volts, 5 volts to 9 volts. And then the connection for the jump starter right here, and another cable that I want to show you to charge your devices. That's cool. And on the front, you can turn it on here by holding it, the one in the middle, for 3 seconds. Cool. Cool. All right, let's see it. You can see it on the light. Okay, so it has option for a car, motorcycle, bicycle, and basketball, for any ball. Cool. And then a custom setting. The first one is for a car. And you can go up and down on the PSI. Right now it's 36. The one on the bottom is for the light. Oh, that's cool. So it has 1, 2, 3 options. Want to turn it off, just hold the button for 3 seconds and it will turn off. So this is everything that comes inside the box. And now we're gonna test the GOOLOO A5 Jump Starter, and this is how to jump start a car. So it comes with the cables. You can connect it here. You have to connect it here, like this, and then and there. Okay. As soon as you put this one here, it turns on. Then the red with the positive and the black with the negative. Now let's turn on the car. And that's how to jump start a car. So after testing the GOOLOO A5 Jump Starter with Air Compressor, here is my honest opinion. This is one of those tools you hope you never need it, but when you do, you'll be very glad you have it. It's compact, easy to use, and powerful enough to handle real-life emergencies. Not just small cars, but larger vehicles too. The built-in Air Compressor is a huge bonus because now you are solving two common problems with one device: dead batteries and low tires. What I really like is that it's beginner friendly. Even if you are not a car expert, the smart clamps and their clear display make it simple and safe to use. For the price, you are getting peace of mind, and honestly, that alone makes it worth it. If you are interested in checking it out, the link is down below in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Would you keep something like this in your car? Thanks for watching, God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one.